Few days ago, I got the MOYU RS3M 2020 speed cube. The RS3M 2020 is my first magnetic cube and it's also my fastest cube. Okay, so let's get into the unboxing. If you open the box, you will see that there's the cube, a cube stand, and an accessory box. So let's take a look at the cube first. This cube is magnetic, yeah, and it's also really fast. Before I got this cube, the GAN 356 RS was my main. This cube does not have magnets. It's also quite fast. But I messed up a lot. And now when I got this cube, I can say that this is clearly my main. The GAN 356 RS will be my second. The cube stand is just to display the cube. It has the MOYU name on it also. So this is the accessory box. If you open the accessory box, you see this paper and something's underneath it. This paper will show you what to do with the cube to change the settings. If you take out the center cap, you notice this blue thing right here and a screw. If you don't know what that does, you can just read the instructions. So this is the screwdriver. You can use it to tighten or loosen the cube. The tighter the cube, the worse it will corner cut, and the looser the cube, the better it will corner cut. The screw out of the box is pretty much okay, so you don't really need to touch the tool. Now there's this tool. You can see the tool has some ridges outside. So if you just put it onto the tool, you just spin around a bit until you feel it just snaps in, and then you start to turn counterclockwise. You'll hear a snap. So how do you know which settings you're on? If you look at the blue thing, it's divided into two halves. So this is the left half and this is the right half. So if you want to check what settings you're on, you just look at the right half. You look at the very bottom here, and you'll see that there's like a staircase thing, a start of a staircase thing, and from there you can just count what the settings you're on. So now the setting is on 0 because the right part of the blue is at the very bottom. Now if you turn, you'll hear a snap down sound. So the less number of times you can hear the snap sound, the faster the cube will be, but you will have lower control of the cube. The more clicks you hear, the slower the cube will get, but you have more control of the cube. So my favorite setting is 2 clicks. So you place it down at setting number 0 and you just click it 2 times. 1, 2. If you watched my previous video, you know that I prefer it on setting number 4. But now I've changed my mind and I prefer it on setting number 2, which means there are 2 clicks. And of course you want to make it equal on all sides. So we're done with this tool. Now this is just a replacement piece for the blue thing right here, in case you lost it. And we are done with the accessory box. So I'll try to do some solves on it now. So I got 26. .28 seconds. For comparison, this is my solving time on the GAN 356 RS. .36 seconds. Overall, I find this cube a really good cube. This cube is very smooth and it's also very light. It's also magnetic. If you want to buy this cube, then you can go to speedcubeshop.com. It's only $9. So yeah, that's the RS3M 2020. Thank you and goodbye.